There was no fun. There was no fun. Those were not pulling plugs. Those were not pulling plugs. There isn't enough time for that. There isn't enough time for that. You are not doing anything. You are not doing anything. It was our anniversary. It was our anniversary. There was a meeting. There was a meeting. We were thinking about you. We were thinking about you. We are watching a movie. We are watching a movie. She doesn't wear uniforms. She doesn't wear uniforms. It wasn't exam day. It wasn't exam day. It was hot in the room. It was hot in the room. Lemmy was not looking at you. Lemmy was not looking at you. There weren't shops. There weren't shops. There wasn't a chair. There wasn't a chair. Those get updated every day. Those get updated every day. We exercise every day. We exercise every day. It wasn't humid. It wasn't humid. There was water in this bottle. There was water in this bottle. They were not studying together. They were not studying together. It wasn't my birthday. It wasn't my birthday. My friend was taking a walk. My friend was taking a walk. They are not helping me. They are not helping me. There was a kid in the building. There wasn't a stranger. There was moving fast. It's chilly. There is a stain on your shirt. There was a problem yesterday. This takes a long time. She is not doing anything. They don't have money. It was March. Lemmy is not sleeping in her room. There weren't friends in the picture. There isn't a bus. You are not cooking chicken. There was no one in the room. There was a weird person. There is no news. There isn't a meeting next week. There is no information. There isn't an answer. My friend is dancing on the stage. There aren't apples in the fridge. There were cute puppies. It wasn't my first work day. I was driving last night. It isn't October 2nd. There weren't students. There is no time. There is a gift in this box. It was cold here. There is no hope. It wasn't freezing here. There is no drink in the kitchen. There is no money on me. There was a key on the table. He is eating an ice cream. There is a test. He is not singing at the party. There was no conversation. It isn't bright inside. It's not crowded. There is homework. You don't work here. It's not warm. There weren't cars in the parking lot. There wasn't coffee in the mug. There wasn't an issue this morning. There were no customers. It isn't done now. He wears glasses. There are people. He was working with me. There wasn't a student in the classroom. It was a wedding last Friday. There was no Wi-Fi there. There was no secret about it. There is no hope in my heart. There were 7 members in that band. There is no gas in the car.